Ever wondered how recycling can help fight climate change? Everything we produce, use, and throw away adds to carbon emissions. Producing new items consumes more energy and generates more CO2 than reusing materials. Recycling transforms old products into new ones using less energy. Landfills produce methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. Recycling prevents this. Every small action counts. Start recycling today and save energy. Together, we can make a difference. Follow us for more eco-friendly tips.